Oh, hi, Donald Trump. Oh, nice to meet you.
They say, oh my God, I see that when you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Oh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello.
I don't like your little games. Don't like your talented stage. The role you made me play of the first. No, I don't like you. I don't like your perfect crime. How you laugh when you lie. You said that gun was mine. Isn't cool. No, I don't like you. But I got smarter, got harder in the nick of time. Honey rose from the dead. I do the time. I got a list of names and yours is in red underlined. Check it once, then I'll check it twice. Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me. Nobody else but my love. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling but he's straight alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up instead in the morning. And if you're under him, you've been getting over him. I got new rule, I'll count him. I got new rule, I'll count him. I gotta tell them to myself. I got new rule, I'll count him. I gotta tell them to myself. Time. When was the last time you saw a Chevrolet in Tokyo? When do we beat Mexico at the border? They're laughing at us. They're bringing drugs. They're bringing crime. They're rapists. The big lie, Obamacare. $5 billion we spent on a website. I hire people. They do a website. It costs me $3. Are you running? Are you not running? I am officially running for President of the United States. We need a leader that wrote The Art of the Deal. I will be the greatest jobs president that God ever created. Free trade can be wonderful if you have smart people, but we have people that are stupid. I like China. I just sold an apartment for $15 million to somebody from China. They have bridges that make the George Washington Bridge look like small potatoes. I don't need anybody's money. It's nice. I'm really rich. I love the Saudis. Many are in this building. Obama, a year ago, Yemen was a great victory. 2 weeks later, the place was blown up. We're dying. We're dying. We need money. Thank you, darling. But Mr. Trump, you're not a nice person.
We don't need nice.
That's true. But actually, I am. I think I am a nice person. We have losers. We have losers. I would build a great wall, and nobody builds walls better than me, believe me. Nobody would be tougher on ISIS than Donald Trump. We won't be using a man like Secretary Kerry, goes into a bicycle race at 72 years old and falls and breaks his leg. I won't be doing that. The American dream is dead. But if I get elected president, I will bring it back bigger and better and stronger than ever before,
and we will make America great again. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is all it's true. Oh, I should be running. Oh, you keep me coming for ya. In Miami, the air was hot from summer and sweet dripping off me before I even knew her name. It felt like home. Yeah, no. Sapphire and moonlight, we danced for hours in the sand till the sunrise. Her body fit right in my hands. It felt like home. Yeah, I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I did. Havana, oh na na. Hey, half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, oh na na. Woke up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do with, but I can't without him forever. In a minute, hey, that summer night, and I say he got my little in him. He got me feeling like, oh, I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like, oh. You know, I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come and now follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come and now follow my lead. Come and now follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I know, I know, I know.